Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you still have not subscribed, please subscribe and like my videos. Today we will start with new series of videos. In this series we will learn to design parts of Plummer block, assembly of parts, and in the last we will learn drafting. Let us now take a look at the drawing sheet of Plummer block. Plummer block has 8 parts, and the first part which we are going to design is body of Plummer block. And the material given is cast iron. So Plummer block has two views given here, that is side view and the top view. In Plummer block body, we are not going to consider few items during the rough profile design or initial design. They are the hole and the bottom thin layer, a square and a bolt structure, and through hole. We will be considering them at the next stage. So let us draw the rough profile. Go to solid edge, click on sketch, select front plane. Let us draw a straight line. Let us begin again. Draw a straight vertical line. Now draw a circle of 38 mm diameter. Since the width of the groove is given as 38 mm, we have to consider a circle of 38 mm. Now draw a tangential line to the circle, and now let us drawing the rough diagram. Let us trim the other half of the circle. Let us now start dimension. So the total length given here is 168. Since we are making half of the profile, let us consider half of the value 168. Smart dimension 168 by 2. Height of the base is given as 14 mm, and here the distance between top edge and the bottom edge is 4 mm. And let us mark 4 mm. Now let us mark the height, that is 55 mm from top to bottom, and here the value is given as 12 mm and 3 mm. Since the distortion error occurs, let us first measure 12 mm and 3 mm. Go to smart dimension and enter the value as 12 mm. And small part here as 3 mm. Now let us redimension this height as 55 mm. Now we have completed the profile of body partial. Sorry, we have left two dimension to center widths, that is 38 and 44 mm. Let us measure that. From here to center it is 38 by 2, that is 19 mm. And from this side to center it is half of 44, that is 20 mm. Now click on return. Go to protrusion, select the profile. Here the value of protrusion is given in the top view, that is 36 mm. Click on OK and enter the select symmetric extend and now enter the value as 36 mm. Click on finish. Now we are done with the profile and now we have to create some cutouts. Here we have to produce two holes of 10.5 mm at a distance 31 mm on each side. Before that, let us create this as a full profile. So for that we have to go to before that let us make a group. We will copy that later. So here we have to make a square groove which is offset of 8 mm from all the edges. So from here 8 mm shown here, here 8 mm is shown on the other side, and this edge is 8 mm shown on the top view, side view. Here it is 8 mm shown here. So let us start creating the rectangle. Go to solid edge, sketch and select the bottom surface. Now let us draw a rough rectangle. Now from dimension all the edges away 8 mm from the body edge. From here to rectangle it should be 8 mm. Here to here 8 mm. In plumber block, body of a plumber block is a bit toughest and time consuming one, and all the other parts are easy and will consume very less time. Now let us produce a cutout. Cutout should be of depth 2 mm. Should be 2 mm. Enter the value as 2 mm and then OK. Now we have a cutout of 2 mm. Now let us produce a cutout of circular holes of diameter 10.5 mm. And it is 31 mm away from the center, so that is half of 62. Now click on sketch and select the inner surface. Draw a circle. Go to smart dimension. Enter the diameter as 10.5 mm. Now select the circle and the edge, and distance should be half of 62, that is 31 mm. Now return, go to cutout, select the circle, click on right mark, then just drag the circle since it is a through hole. Click on finish. Now let us draw the kind of an oval structure which is at 128 mm, that is half of 128 mm away from the center. So here we see that there is a straight structure of 8 mm and a curved structure of 5 mm radius. Go to sketch and select the bottom surface. Since from center to center it is 64 mm and on that other side from center you have 4 mm on either side, that is 8 mm. So 64 minus 4, we will be having a distance from that edge of a center line to the center axis of a body to be equal to 60 mm. Let me show that. So from here to here it should be 60 mm, that is 64 minus 4 mm. 4 mm is from half of the 8 mm center line. So from here to here it is 64, and in that 64 value we have here it is 8 mm, so half of that will be 4 mm, so 64 we have to remove this 4 mm. So from here to this end it will be 60 mm. Just draw, enter the value here as 60 mm. Now select the two circles and enter the distance between them as 8 mm. Now draw a tangent connecting both the circles on either side. Trim out the unnecessary lines. Now click on return, select cutout, select the profile, click on OK and just drag it out. Finish. Now we have to create a square cutout, and dimension is 20 mm and depth is 7 mm. So let us draw the square. Select the inner surface. Let us draw a square. If you find any other way of drawing the square easier, you can follow that. Let us dimension 20 mm. Here it is also 20 mm. This side it is, from here to center it will be 10 mm. And from here to center it is also 10 mm. Now our square will be center and the right position. Click on return, select cutout, select the square, OK, and here value is 7 mm. 20. Sorry, I had done a mistake. The depth should be 7 mm, not 20 mm. Let us go back and select the selector and click on edit definition. go down, edit definition. Now select the, go to top, near finish, the second one, click on that, and now enter the value as 7 mm. Okay, now we have 7 mm depth. Let us zoom out. So we are done with this part. So now we are left with a hole at a center. So to create that, let us create a plane at this edge, and this plane it as a at a height of from about it is from, so from that plane hole will start at a distance of 3 plus 38, 3 plus 38 mm, and the hole depth should be 3 plus 38 plus 6 mm. So let us copy the part so that we'll get a complete body. So go to mirror, copy, select the body and select the plane about which we have to mirror. Now we have the entire body. Click on, let us go to reference plane, select coincident plane and select this surface, click on that. So now we have a plane created. Now click on, go to now click on hole and select the surface, zoom in, go to hole table, let it be simple hole and diameter will be 6 mm. Here it will be simple, dia will be 6 mm. Now here we have to select finite extent, that is the last one, click on that. Now enter the value of hole, that is 3 mm plus 38 mm plus 6 mm, 38 because it is circle of 38 mm. Sorry, not 38, half of 38, that is 19 mm. So 3 plus 19 plus 6. Click on V bottom, click on OK. Remember 3 plus 19 plus 6. 3 plus 19 plus 6. So that is the length of a hole. Click return. Now just drag it down. So we have a hole created, which we can see here. So now we are left with one part. Let me hide all the planes so you can see it clearly. Right click, hide. Also let me hide the sketches. Now we have left with the fillet part. So here we can see that the edges are curved, and here we have to give a fillet of radius 6 mm. So go back to model, click on fillet, that is in that click on round, select the edge, enter the value of radius at 6 mm. Similarly select the, enter the value 6, and similarly select the other side and select that edge. So now we have a fillet of 6 mm created. Now at the bottom, value is not given, let us consider it as 2 mm. Enter the radius as 2 mm. Similarly select all the 4 edges here. Here we can see that inner edge is also curved, so click on them also. Now we are completed with body of plumber block. Go to material table. The material for plumber block body is cast iron. Enter cast iron. Apply to model. Go to file properties, summary, body, title is body. Go to project, document number 1, project name body. Now click on, go to file, save as. It is better to create a new file and name it as plumber block. Please watch all my videos. If you still have not seen my screw jack part assembly and drawing video, please go back and watch it. Please subscribe to my channel and like my videos. Thank you.